How to start affiliate marketing without a website. We shall be discussing 10 ways to do affiliate marketing without a website. Now that we have ascertained that affiliate marketing can be done without a website, it is time to focus on some of the best techniques available. Obviously, the result will vary depending upon the efficacy of the plan you create and how to execute it. But if you don't have a website, these are 10 ways to do affiliate marketing. Number 1, solo ads. Solo ads are one of the best ways to reach an audience if you don't have a website of your own. Simply put, solo ads allow you to target audience by leveraging email list of other people. Ultimately, this allows you to market your affiliate product to others. But how does this work? Let's assume that you wanted to focus on the healthcare niche. It is one of the largest affiliate niches. So you have signed up and have now begun promoting your affiliate product on various online forums. Now you can search for affiliate influencers in the healthcare niche who allow solo ads in their email blast. If the influencers think your offer is good, they are going to include it in their email list and will charge you, generally on a pay-click basis. What this means is that you can get instant commissions right away, but you will also be able to generate more opt-ins. However, you should know that solo ads are often considered a hit and miss because you won't always be directing quality traffic. It is important that you balance your role when running solo ads as well. Don't sign on to a long contract and revisit your contract regularly. Number 2, posting on online communities and forums. Sometimes the best approach is as direct as possible. The internet makes it easy for like-minded people to come together on different kinds of forums and communities. Naturally, this makes online communities and forums an excellent place for you to market your product. The first thing you need to do is to find a suitable forum where people might be interested in your product. Reddit, for instance, is a great choice because you will be able to find a suitable subreddit based on your product quite easily. Once you find a forum with an active online community, you should check the guidelines to determine whether the promotional activity is allowed. Then, all you have to do is to sign up and start posting. The more you contribute, the more people will begin to trust you, and ultimately, your following will grow as well. Number 3, create a viral ebook. This one's quite simple and easy to execute. All you need to do is to create an ebook on an interesting topic that you are sure is likely to gain traction. It could be anything from a fun trading hashtag to something that you think will offer dedicated value to your customers, to their customers. Then you need to embed the affiliate links in the content, and that's about it. When people read your book and like what they are reading what they are reading, they are going to eventually click on the links, and who knows, they may convert. One of the best things that you can do is to make use of Google Trends in order to figure out the latest trading topics and then create an ebook accordingly. Number 4, YouTube channel. YouTube is a big deal now, and millions of people use it to create content and post it online. If you don't have a website, no matter you can simply no matter and don't worry, you can simply create a YouTube channel and start using affiliate links in the description. In fact, many content creators use exactly the same strategies to maximize their revenue, and you can too do YouTube. Number 5, PPC marketing, pay per click marketing. If you can work fast, you will get good result very fast. Look no further than PPC marketing. Paid affiliate advertising has been known to quickly improve returns, and you should definitely consider it as well. Earn at your own pace, refer customers, and set up your passive income stream. Both Facebook and Google are excellent platforms to market your affiliate goods. They both use a pay-per-click advertising model, allowing you to only pay whenever users click on the ad. Using content publishing platform to your advantage. Two of the most popular content publishing platforms out there including Medium and Statement. You can also use this to promote your affiliate products. Anyone can easily make their account on both of these platforms and can start publishing articles. Medium attracts more than 100 million readers, and there are some fascinating tools that you can use in order to monitor the engagement level of your work. However, when using affiliate links in your content, you should always inform your reader that these are affiliate links, as it is a requirement for both of these platforms. Harnessing the power of social media. There is really nothing like it. Social media can be an excellent tool for promoting your affiliate products. Instagram, Facebook, and Twitter have all seen massive growth over the past few years, and new platforms continue to pop up every now and then. If you don't have a website and want to succeed with affiliate marketing, you should definitely consider using social media to your advantage. You don't need much, just set up your account and your page and start promoting yourself. Instagram doesn't link directly to post, but you can put the link in the bio description. On the other hand, Facebook allows you to create groups and pages and gives you a slew of tools that you can use in order to track engagement as well. Retargeting is effective. Retargeting is yet another form of marketing that you should consider. Basically, this involves targeting customers who did not make a purchase when they visited your online store. The click-through rate of retargeting ads is almost 10 times more when compared with a regular ad. When someone visits the store, their information is recorded via a tracking pixel. Once the potential customer leaves, you can use their tracking info to retarget ads and hope they make a purchase. The best thing about this is that it is like regular ad placement. You should you should only pay when someone clicks on your ad. Both Google and Facebook offer you this option, and it can easily help boost sales. Email marketing. A lot has been said and written about email marketing, and even today, it remains one of the most effective tools of marketing your product. If you want to use an effective method for affiliate marketing without a website, you simply can't afford to ignore email marketing. You can compile a list of emails on your own or invest in database and then create a tailored email marketing campaign. Add affiliate links in the middle and you are good to go. If you want to build your own email list, you can look for vendors that provide sign-up services. To convince a person to sign up, you are going to give them a good reason. Access to an ebook, a free guide, or a free course is a great idea and will definitely a rate, boost up, boost sign-up rates. Before the last but not the least, please subscribe to this channel. Click the notification bell for more videos tips like this. If you have any further requests, comments below. Number 10. Using offline effort. Pay per call affiliate marketing program. Pay per call affiliate marketing is one of the most effective performance marketing methods in use today. Simply put, an advertiser pays the affiliate for quality calls that are generated on behalf of the advertisers. This method works similarly to the way performance networks track click on websites. As an affiliate, you will have to create a marketing campaign promoting more quality calls to the vendor, which ultimately drives up their sales. For every sale, you earn a commission. The method is exactly similar to affiliate marketing online, except it involves the use of telephone instead. Conclusion: affiliate marketing is a straightforward way to monetize your content and build an online income. As times change, affiliate marketing is evolving. Once blogging and email lists were the main ways to share affiliate links, but social media now means influencers are earning considerable income promoting affiliate products. Whichever method you choose, make sure the products you share are relevant to your audience and stay clear of any shady practice. Please subscribe to this channel, click the notification bell for more videos tips like this. If you have any further requests, comment below. Thank you.